Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying your port and choosing the right splitter. This matters because TRRS carries mic and headphones together while TRS is separate. Once identified, power down or mute the PC to avoid pops, then plug the splitter in firmly so contacts seat correctly. Make sure cables are undamaged and the splitter matches the plug orientation. You do this to prevent misrouting audio channels. After insertion, boot or unmute and open sound settings to confirm devices appear. That moves you to configuration. Now focus on software routing so each physical channel maps correctly. Desktop OSes often need manual selection. Open sound settings and assign the output device to the headphone jack and the input to the mic jack, then adjust gain to avoid distortion. If an application still plays through the wrong device, use the app's audio preferences or an audio mixer utility to force assignment. Make sure sample rates match across devices to prevent latency or pitch issues. Once levels are stable, test playback and finish by verifying simultaneous playback and recording. Record while playing a track and listen back to ensure isolation and no bleed. If something fails, first reseat connectors and try the splitter in a different port or on another device. Faulty splitters are common. Next, update or reinstall audio drivers and disable enhancements because software processing can reroute or corrupt channels. If latency or poor quality persists, use a powered USB audio interface instead. It's the only reliable way to guarantee separate, low-latency channels on many modern PCs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.